We have a simple strategy here on Quotex. No major indicators, no complex setups, just a clean 30-second quick method. Set your candle time to 5 seconds. We are using Heiken Ashi candles and 2 Supertrend indicators on the chart. What we are looking for is this: a red candle crossing the Supertrend line and the Supertrend line shifting from green to red. When that happens, there is a strong chance the market continues moving down. We place a trade in the downward direction. The goal is for the trend to follow through cleanly. As we can see on the chart, the setup played out well. The trade closed green. This is the same method we will use going into the next session. For the indicator settings, check the description below. Here is another scenario. Both Supertrend lines have shifted to red, and our candle bars timed the crossover right on the line. There is a strong chance the market continues moving down. We place a trade in the downward direction. The trade closed green. Simple setup, and the chart is showing consistent results. Now we have another scenario. Our candle bars crossed the Supertrend lines, and both indicators shifted downward as well. We place a trade going down for 30 seconds. Unfortunately, this one did not go our way. The market decided to move upward instead. That is a loss on this trade, and that is completely normal. This setup performs well over time, but the market always has the final say. Moving on to one more scenario. The Supertrend lines are shifting here, and we have a fresh crossover. This time, we are trading to the upside. The reasoning is straightforward. The market has been moving down for a while now, and there is a good chance it is ready to meet an upward move within the 30-second window. We wait for the trade to close. And that one played out well, a clean green result on that setup. Here is another good situation on the chart. We place a trade going down. This one is close to a 50-50 read on the setup, and it closed green as well. Good outcome on that one. Make sure to watch the rest of the video and follow us for more trading strategies like this on Quotex. We also cover strategies on other brokers, so stay tuned for those as well. As always, past results do not guarantee future results. It is best to start with a demo account first before moving to a real one.